So one of my favorite salads is roasted beets and sweet potatoes. Not only do I love the color, but the flavors just pop. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a little bit of the avocado oil, we're gonna put it in a hot pan, and I already have the sweet potatoes and the beets cooked off. So we're just gonna give them a nice little crisp. And a little trick when you're doing sweet potatoes or beets or any root vegetable, instead of just plain water, add a little flavor to that stock. So what I did was I cooked these beets in a pressure cooker. I had a little bit of cinnamon, apple cider vinegar, honey, apple juice, just to get those nice flavors married in there. And it really, the vegetables soak that up, and it just adds a nice little kick to flavor instead of just plain water. Give it a nice little stir. We're just trying to get like a little crisp on these already cooked vegetables. Hit them with a little bit of salt. And I love just these root vegetables as a substitute for meat. A lot of people are plant-based these days. So we are just gonna add a nice little healthy option to this green salad that we have going on. All right, so after the beets and the sweet potatoes are heated through, we are going to bring them over and we're gonna start assembling our lovely green salad. Okay, so we're gonna let that sit. Okay. So what I have here are some beautiful sunflower microgreen radishes. And they're just different than your regular leafy greens. They add a little pop. Okay, we're gonna take that. And we're gonna add a little quinoa that I've already cooked. Okay, this is golden quinoa. Super healthy for you. So we're gonna give that a nice little stir. And I just love how quinoa can take the flavor of anything. Again, I used vegetable broth in there. Had a little bit of cumin, salt, pepper, just to season it up a little bit. So we have some beautiful blueberries. We're gonna add them in there too. And I just love cooking food that you can pretty much just taste the rainbow. So we have lovely red pear. We're gonna cut this up. Save a little piece for the garnish. It's going to give a nice little sweet, it's going to give it some texture. And again, you can use apples, you can throw mandarin oranges in there. And the best part about this salad is really whatever you have laying around works just perfect. So our dressing, what we have here, is which I've already made, is an avocado cilantro crema. So we're going to give this a nice little drizzle, just give it a nice little shake of the crema. I have some pumpkin seeds. This is gonna add a nice little crunch to your salad. Add our sweet potatoes and our roasted beets right on top. And voila, we have a beautiful roasted beet sweet potato salad right on top of the sunflower and kale microgreens with the blueberries, the chopped red pear, and your avocado cilantro crema.